Want to protect your phone from this happening? Well, in this video, I'm going to be showing you how to install a tempered glass screen protector on your Samsung Galaxy S24 or S24 Ultra. Welcome back to the video. My name's Sergio, and in this channel I make life-saving tech videos. So if you're new here, make sure to subscribe and hit the bell to get notified when I upload new videos. Also, if you want an epic custom phone case like these for your phone, check out the links down below in the description. All right, so with that said, let's jump right into the video. So here I have the tempered glass that I will be installing. So I ordered this one from Amazon. I think it was about $4. It's also gonna be linked down below in the description. So it's actually gonna come in a box that looks like this. You're gonna get your standard cleaning cloth. You're gonna get this plastic frame. This is to help you position the screen protector on your phone. You're gonna get 3 tempered glass screen protectors, and you're gonna receive 3 protectors for the glass on your rear cameras. Okay, so to install the tempered glass screen protector, the first thing you need to do is you need to hit, smash, destroy, or nuke that like button for the YouTube algorithm. Gotcha. So no, the first thing you need to do is you need to clean the screen of your phone. So we're gonna get the cleaning cloth here. Okay, so if your screen is very dirty or if there's anything sticky on your screen, you're gonna wanna use the wet wipe first. The wet wipe will remove any dirt or sticky substances on the screen of your phone. Go around all the edges of the screen and then up and down towards the middle of the screen. Okay, once we're done with the wet wipe, we're gonna use this dry cloth to dry it up. However, if your phone screen is not super dirty, you may not need to use the wet wipe. You can just use the dry cloth to remove any dust particles on the screen. Okay, so we're gonna continue going up and down on the screen until we see that there are no dust particles left over on the screen. All right, so let's take a look. It looks pretty clean now. However, if you do have any leftover dust particles, you do get this dust absorber sticker. So how this works is you just peel it off, and wherever it is that there is dust on the screen, you just stick the sticker to that dust. And since it is a sticker and has a little bit of glue here, the dust will stick to it, removing from the screen and leaving your screen clean. Okay, that should do the trick. If not, sometimes also what I do is I just blow some light air onto the screen. When the screen's dry, that will also blow off the dust from the screen. Okay, so the screen looks clean now and ready to go. Okay, so once it's ready, we're gonna go ahead and position the plastic piece on the screen. So make sure you get the top area correct. It's gonna say top up here. So just place it right on the phone like that, making it super simple to properly install the tempered glass. Once you have the plastic frame installed, we're gonna go ahead and peel down here on this tempered glass paper here. And we're gonna hold the screen protector right above the phone like this. We're gonna place the top in first. So as you can see, I'm gonna place the top in right here. And then just position the screen protector properly with the frame here and just let it drop. It's super simple since we do have this frame to help us guide the installation properly. Okay, then once you let it drop, we're gonna go ahead and apply some pressure over here towards the top. Okay, and then make sure that if there are any air bubbles, you help it by pushing it down with your finger and helping guide the screen protector to install completely. And there you go. That was as perfect as it gets. No air bubbles, no dust under the screen protector. All right, so there you go. The screen protector is installed now. Now we're gonna go ahead and install the rear camera glass protector. So once again, you're gonna wanna make sure that the glass is super clean. So I'm just gonna use the cloth here to go over the rear cameras and make sure that there are no dust particles on them. Okay, once your cameras are clean and ready, we're gonna go ahead and peel down here on this film here to remove the camera lens protector. All right, so once you have it out, you just position it on top of the cameras like this. All right, we'll do the bottom one here first and towards the top, and then just push down on it. Okay, go around all the sides here so the adhesive on the frame of the camera protector glues onto the frame of the phone. All right, there you go. So the rear camera glass lens protector is also installed. All right, and the tempered glass is installed as well. All right, so that is how you install the tempered glass screen protector on your Samsung Galaxy S24 and S24 Ultra. Go ahead and hit that like button if this video helped you out. Comment down below and let me know. That's all for this video. Catch you guys in the next one. And as always, peace.